A plain matcha drink is already a delicious, healthy beverage, but you might not be aware of just how versatile your favorite tea can be. A wide variety of beverages, desserts, and baked goods will be tastier when blended with the rich, satisfying taste of milk and with the subtle, earthy flavor of green tea. The possibilities are endless, but we've listed our favorite matcha with milk recipes in this video. 6 delicious and easy ways to enjoy matcha with milk. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. That way, if we release more content like this, you don't miss it. And if you are on YouTube, click the alert notification button. Number 1. Matcha green tea latte. Matcha lattes are delicious, healthy, and easy to make. If you're drinking matcha by itself, a fine ceremonial grade matcha powder is recommended. On the other hand, a more affordable culinary grade powder will do the trick for a nice latte. To begin, use a bamboo whisk to blend a teaspoon of matcha powder into 1/4 a cup of boiling water. Then add milk and sweeten the latte by adding agave nectar or other natural sweeteners. It's that simple. This tried and true latte recipe is deliciously hot, but you can also combine the ingredients cold in a jar with ice and shake vigorously for a yummy chilled alternative. Number 2. Green tea lassi. Lassi is a traditional yogurt-based Indian beverage. A version of lassi with turmeric powder is a popular folk beverage all across India. But lassi with green tea also has devotees all over the world. Sip this mild, chilly beverage on a warm summer day, and you're sure to understand why. Lassi is very simple to prepare. You just need equal parts of plain yogurt, milk, and a teaspoon or 2 of matcha powder. Beat the ingredients together thoroughly and sweeten to taste with agave nectar. If you're feeling adventurous, you can add a teaspoon of lemon juice for a little citrus kick. Number 3. Matcha donuts. As with cupcakes, donuts are great for showcasing personality through playful presentation. The vivid green color of matcha can give your next batch of donuts an eccentric style all their own. A few tablespoons of culinary grade matcha powder will blend well into any donut recipe. But you should also consider whipping up a sweet matcha glaze to get the full effect. Our favorite matcha glaze recipe calls for 1/2 cup of whole milk, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of matcha powder. Number 4. Green boba tea or bubble tea. Boba tea is a popular treat throughout East and Southeast Asia. It's also sometimes called bubble tea. The classic black tapioca bubbles can be purchased at many Asian supermarkets. They're also widely available online. The drink body calls for a handful of ice cubes and equal parts of brewed green tea and milk. An optional teaspoon of matcha powder can add a splash of rich green color. Mix everything in a cocktail shaker and you'll have a full serving of naturally colorful milk tea ready to pour. If you're adding tapioca pearls to your beverage, make sure you drink it through a wide enough straw to get the full boba tea experience. Number 5. Milky green tea popsicles. Just like all the best homemade popsicles, green tea popsicles are very simple to make. The recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of matcha powder for every cup of milk. Sweeten the mixture to taste with agave nectar and freeze it for 5 hours in your favorite popsicle mold. Number 6. Matcha smoothies. Adding green tea to your favorite healthy smoothie is a simple way to give it added flavor and a little kick of caffeine. The taste of green tea pairs well with just about every fruit combination under the sun. But our favorite recipes bring together matcha powder, milk, and vanilla for a rich, refreshing flavor. You can adjust your simple vanilla drink with mint, citrus, or even a little protein powder if that's your style. You can also mix a few teaspoons of matcha into your go-to smoothie for an easy antioxidant upgrade. The delicious flavor of green tea can spruce up your favorite go-to recipes or inspire you to try something outside your comfort zone. As for these drinks and desserts, matcha and milk are truly a match made in heaven. We made a step-by-step, simple instruction video on how to make a matcha smoothie. Click here to watch the video. Also, click here to learn how to select Japanese green tea. Do you have a favorite matcha and milk recipe? Comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching. Japanese Green Tea Company. Harvested with love in Japan.